Washo wa gege vera. Washo wa reda batoba zero wa mwegume. Wa reda batiro wa mwegume o bu na gba ukpogodo. Abat obaze ubegewe. Uwe graduate no man igbo kun abat. A graduate no man igbe o kun abat na gba ukpogodo kun abat o yejo kun abat. Ema ya no lele we campaign. Ema ya no lele we campaign. Ulele ya kon hian mo pa yi na me ya fo we. Mo pa yi no ame ya fo we o ye abat. Agba we ne ni han. Naija wash we bo afian na ni han. Ubwe Latina. Ubwe Stoneless. Ubwe intro. I mean agba we ne ni han. Abatobaze. We graduate work in school where you me man eh school me where you school me worry course or more than ni keke abagbon ime me more than me no je me no je una good morning my people mona share the video make go viral mona no verse I no come as is kata dey worry me na see the way my face be na see with the way my nose be so I don't feel they draw nose they do live video but I see if the video went about to do yesterday once more boy where they wait some more once more thief wait there for Benuna no na about obaze wait thief 800,000 thief and give them 200,000 na no na nobody will never follow quarrel for the people wey clap and for one ogba so take ogba cause quarrel for their people house. Stoneless, the one wey pay me pass. Stoneless when go take as his brother, wey go take as his wife, take as his sister. Now Stoneless, now they follow the quarrel today. The work wey Stoneless do for her. Now Stoneless make me know about Obaze. Stoneless now make me know her. When Stoneless come for Nigeria, come put one for band. Talk back. He don't follow all of the quarrel finish. So no one will never follow quarrel because only me one go eat. They take and lose something about Obaze. I also want to tell you, say, everybody don't know you. The time before election start, before the ring gun, before una do election, I come out to tell all of them where, about to not be better picking. They don't care. Some they do like this. Like some way they for Germany. They can't do like this. You not come out since then now make talk to you, say the character way they behave so. You not good. I don't tell all of una now waju, all of una. See now, Naija Watch now you go follow the court. What you want to say Naija Watch do you now? Because of election, Naija Watch now they carry my video again because he say at the camp, I go join Ijai Yamu. Till today Naija Watch now they carry my video again now because of a what they call am God you know what I say. Now Naija Watch now they carry my video again till today. The same Naija Watch now you go to follow the quarrel about Obaze. They disgrace yourself. Today they conceive. You don't know what tomorrow go born. People all of una get a shot, clap and follow body for election now. If they drive there they go. Election go, election come. Already I don't tell they say any party where you did about Obaze, any party where you join, nobody they campaign for that party again, don't finish. And you don't see the character where they produce is there now. I tell people say agag bayan, mona quiet, you go see her. If my if you go come, I go talk say I talk am. You know where agag bayan ya. Agba why for any Naija Watch, so Naija Watch. That if I do video finish, I'll post and go green Naija Watch. You go say you know the carry say Naija Yamu the support. You go say you know the carry Naija Yamu in the support. Not be say talk about, but if I send I go gian, you know they carry the video. But if they say Obaseki you go gian, now one touch you go your post and paka. So to Naija Watch now go they call they follow the quarrel now. I don't say I'm not going to do saga again. But I want just to throw something for you this morning. May you go sit down. Whether not the Tamadro which they drink or Batobaze, the Tamadro which they drink, or the Morocco which they smoke, or Batobaze, and they worry for your head. If you let me come out, if you talk to Naija Watch again, I'll come out for you. I go see this saga, I go start them again. Because I want you to touch, I want you to stop saga. So when I go my YouTube, when I stop, you go to do what I can't do. If you see, say you talk to Naija Watch again, I'll come back for you. If now 1 year, me with you take craze for Facebook, we go craze on. If now 5 years, me with you go craze on. Yeah, picky way not get sense. Graduate when they fail. You know they see a Boston? You know they see gentleman? You just come and they run your mouth, they find now upon the money where you thief for a election. Now you want come find money for Saga money. Now you want come to do something. You know, see some more. You see Ojuju when I see so less they take knock your head this morning. This morning I see so less they take your Ojuju, they knock your head. All people will clap follow you. All people will clap follow you. Almost 20-something presenters. Now clap follow you and but they clap and follow you. But today you don't follow all of the quarter. Who you take start? Okpan or America Latina. Now you first start. You come out, you go the one where they preach Bible. The one where they preach Bible where they for Spain here. You attack am. You come out, intro, Baba. You go attack am. No one you never attack am, but Obaze. What will be your problem? They stay their own now. They stay their own. They not talk to you. They say only one they chop. You see they chop. You see they beat them. What do you concern? You concern them about Obaze? I tell them they no hear. I tell them they no hear. I tell them they no hear. You say this Pikin a bad Pikin. This Pikin only a pocket they find. You don't want me other person better. They say allow so not going to greet me again. But waiting me they tell the old Bini. Any party where Obatobaze day, any party when it day Obatobaze, if you not see go that party, no. If you not see go vote for that party, no. You not the weakness now. He just shop the whole money where they say me chef for na. If they carry fight, they fight you now. You go carry fight, they fight you now. You go carry fight, they fight you now. That boy, as soon as I say black Obatobaze. He black, he stomach black, no red thing for his stomach. So in a short video now I say why I can't drop, not because I can't cause person, but I say why they tell you now. Now wait you now take you now buy you. Now be this one Ogba. See the Ogba now. The Ogba they beat you now for one corner. The Ogba they beat people waiting for Benin. The Ogba they beat people waiting for Europe. This one will give you a sense. Another time, if Prophet Atiti tell you, say, new generation tell you, say, this kind of thing we don't need them, we go take on. When I see character, 2 weeks to election, when I decamp. When I see a Batobaze character, now I say, no. I can't cry, I can't tell you now. Una no hear you. Una de naki band you. Una do naki band you. Talk Ogba neni ah ezogi molelu wa yan ogilelu wa kan owe ogilelu wa kan wota Oba to who reach his body again. I tell me the one way reach his body one answer that one for you. Next person where you want follow quarrel, tell me one your answer that for you. No need where you go tell the answer them again because I tell them they not here. They say na Abati they want clap follow. See Abati now, Abati they beat them for money, they beat them for evening. Anyone where you want attack now for a day for Ogba, let me know when me go attack her for you. Yeah, Pikin, boo. Pikin will not go school, go say you be graduate. You go Suka, which one you go Suka? Pikin when you go Suka University, where go Akpoma University, they know they behave as they behave, so you worst illiterate now you be. Worst illiterate. Me even try pass you, me where they drink bread and tea. Me try pass you for sense. I try pass you for everything. How about you not get sense? Common sense you not get. Come on to join people together. How about you not get them? To gather your people together, make them be one. You not get them. To carry your sister, to carry your brother, to carry your pikin, make join all of them together, make them be one. You not get them at all. You the shout. I don't move forward. This 4 years, 1 year don't come out. May you go sit down for your house. Now, person will want bring come out. Will want bring come out again. Now be Stephanie. That boy will resemble Papa Ethiopian. Now I see for all of una. Pause. The rest of una be thief. You know, see, Usanokwodi now. I don't know the country where that one come dey. Whether I don't go to Cote d'Ivoire, I don't know Usanokwodi. I know the year of him again. I know you see him again. You drive. You drive and enter one corner. Niger watch now you want stage, you want drive now about Obaze. Egba and where. If I see say you talk to Niger watch again, I they come out presidency for you. We will start to dig on. If you say you get bad math, me can't tell you say me get bad math pass you. Now street me for grow, me na any trade, me will not go school. All of you know. If you say you get bad math that time, I can't tell you say this my math na taprata. I can't tell you that time. You also want to call your first to tell you now me you mind your lane. You should not deal with, I should not fight all of the rich. So no one care for you again, no one mind you about Obaze face your track. Maybe with the governor, Mona they do what you they do. If you not do and finish, you not go Lagos one for come. Or may you go where you for come, Sokoto where you for come, where they call them Mexico. If you don't do and finish, Mona go Mexico, Mona go Lagos. Leave our Benin people alone, Obaze. Obaze, leave our Benin people alone. Obaze, leave our Benin people alone. I can't beg you this morning. I can't beg you this morning. Leave our Benin people alone. So my brothers and my sisters, I beg Mona not vex, Mona subscribe, go Prophet Atiti Top Show. Mona subscribe, go there, na my YouTube be that one. Make una the press the notification bell, Mona the press I like your team, Mona the press the following. In case anytime when I dey for line, una phone go make it yogororo, una know say I don't come. So not get too much thing when I can't talk. You know, say as I dey talk, you now say I get every kata for here now. So you know this season. Who the come say? Not coming for that line, not coming for that line, not coming for that line, not coming for that line. Coming for the other line, coming for direct for the other line. So now I say when I can't tell you about Obaze, we see. I see the two video. I see Naija Watch video yesterday. They send that for me. I see Stoneless. So when he take go course for Joshua with 7 egg, I see her yesterday. I see her this morning. Now I look and now I read down. As I read Naija Watch, so I can't read Stoneless. So I can't see say you don't start again. Anytime where the medicine where you chop, you chop and so you call the misbehavior about Obaze. You say you want join two people together. You say one move a dope forward about Obaze. You know, so quarter you follow, gotta follow Benin people now. Now you can't do follow a do. So quarter now you can't follow a do now about Obaze. So what did Naija was going to do you now? What did Naija was going to do you because of Ogba? What did they call him? What did they call him now? What did they call him now? Godwin, you know, I say. Our excellency governor, because of when they do election, Naija was not going to carry my video again. If I do video, the time when I take the camp, if I do video, go send agreement Naija Watch, you know go carry on. But if the other people do for Obaseki, you go carry on. Now the same Naija Watch, you want quarter, follow quarter now. You call the measure your papa, they call the measure in name. Obaze. Baze. You say bad did not go let you rest it, but bad did not go let you rest it. When you listen to social parties, they come out for your mighty. Bad, now you judge the generate for your mighty about Obaze. I go where go Uriye. You say you not go hear words. You say you not go hear words. Some more people talk to you, mama talk to you, papa talk to you. You say you not go hear what about Obaze. Baze. So you take your brother away there for America, you say they crazy because of money. Your brother wey suffer, wey campaign, wey wife he drive come out for house because of election. You say when that one draw money, you say the craze. When that one draw money, you say the craze. When Stoneless draw money, you give Stoneless name. Stoneless has money, or you give a name. Your brother Koko, your brother wey is senior or wey senior you, Sumata Baze. When he has money, you pull life for here, say the craze. Your younger one for us join you. Your younger one for us join you say. Sumato Baze the enemy decrease. You don't see your life. If you see your records, it's where they finish the election about Obaze. Your record is seke. Your record is seke. Ikeke. You be boo boo akpa obu boku about Obaze. For this character where you do so no good do. This character, I think you don't change that day. Now make me not to talk to you again. I think you don't change. Now make me not going to come out for you. I don't know say you deceive me about Obaze. Yo, you can't deceive me. You can't by pretend say you don't change. You can't come out for my back on my behalf. You can't come out on my behalf about Obaze. I will start to monitor you again. I will go and add you friend request again so that I will start to monitor you again. I'm not going to talk to all those women again. Now you are going to talk to boo. Just my brothers and my sisters, and so message and Yoko drops more message. Because if you not see the way I talk now, the Qatar does it for the changing of weather, changing of climates. So they affect everybody. So I'm not just going to do video because of the video when I see yesterday where Abati they talk to Naija Watch and I see video where Stoneless do yesterday when he carry 7 wear black, red color. He say, hey, Zalubua, about miene. Oh, miene, wow, Ponubeka stoneless. Wow, why we say, Bebu, ya vigwe yo tonu ya imi stoneless. Ubeka na yo no. Walk stoneless, you know, Kwajo, Kuyen Lewekona. Hey, Abatobaze. Obatobaze. Weba na kina. Weba na akba we neni ha ya so wa na di na seti do na lesi ado pe won panu e. Yeje pikin we no get sense. Stupid pikin. One leave am. Abemo na share the video make go viral. Make una dey press the notification pet. Make una dey press the like your thing. Make una press the following. Make una subscribe go Prophet Atiti YouTube. My brothers and my sister, make una do that one for me. Una subscribe. But una know say people they take and they laugh me say I thought they take when I define subscribe, they not agree they subscribe. Because what I want to take my YouTube do different for what they take and they do. My YouTube not be for saga. When I go surprise, say the whole video wait there for my page. If I don't go YouTube, I go delete the whole video come out. I not be picking where they make trouble. I be picking where the papa they happy. I be picking where they make mama they happy. I be picking where go make sister happy. Now me I be. So if una don't subscribe, go there don't complete. Una go subscribe to all those page when I dey use. So all the old video when the day before, I go drop and then I go start fresh video. Where picking go see, he go happy. Mama go see, he go happy. The next generation go see, they go happy. I go look good foundation for my picking down. Una come they see at that time. So una so I dey tell una reach. Make una share the video, make una make am viral. Make rich man and woman hand. As soon as they help me, they do that one. Una dey viral the video. As soon as they press the CNN, una go dey press the notification bell. Una go dey press the boo boo boo, so that everything go dey yellow. They go. So about Obazena, the one message when I can't drop for you be that oh. You deceive me. You say you don't change. You not going to talk to anybody again. I don't know say that this air you do for me. So if I see say you talk to Naija Watch again, me they come out, I go call the tackle you. I know now be you see since then I been one talk say I don't do saga again. I be your don't talk say I don't do saga again. Me my YouTube complete when I stop and start work when I can't do. But this Naija Watch show where you go talk to so you they talk to other people. You talk to Latina because Latina that one another second wayo person. Not be the one waiting for Spain. Oh. The one waiting for America. I know say that one another that wayo person. That's why I know they talk put at all. That's no less. So I know say not true to picking. I know say stone let the talk truth. That's why that first time I no say quarter. You see go find a trouble again. If I go do just I'll call and ask and say what happen again when you go to carry several work the cost. But this Naija was show about Obaze. Mind your business. You say you deduce your vote. You say you get office. May you face your office will not let you face. If they face another man property, I tell you say Igbovo. Jealousy they worry about jealousy. The worst jealousy na about in the day. I beg make una share the video may go viral. So that's why I drop and raise this morning. So make una the press the notification button and press the like your thing. So in the evening, if this catar less, I will come out for his house. You will not say still yesterday now, not come out for us. I just did for his house. But this if it less for before evening, maybe I come sit down, come talk to about Obaze where maybe for learning. Because this one way they do so where people they clap follow and so people they clap follow and so people they clap follow and so no be waiting good though. You where they clap follow and it go do you the one way pass this one. If you know sit down English people. Benin people una sit down now. Una see as is when election finish. All the old people when he join and walk, we clap and follow and talk back. He does the quarrel with them. So they carry cost the knacker for head now. I see one way the knack cost for head every day. He go the knacker for head every day. This kind of thing. Now Naija Watch she can't go talk to Nana. Naija Watch now be picking when not they talk to person. Naija Watch the stuff they do, you know they go. He good work when he can't do. He the Naija for us. You know they talk to person. Now Abati can't go find trouble. Abati say now he want go find trouble now. When I see what Abati they find they go now. Picking we know the year word. Now here they cut and here they cut Abati. You know the shame. So your wickedness, your heart, that evil heart where you get. You don't want to check from evil heart. Tomorrow you say you go church. People will not go church better pass your about. You be destroyer. Why you can't judge to destroyer now? You go meet this one, quarrel. You go meet this one, quarrel. All the old people will clap and follow you. Now they follow the quarrel today. So that's why I drop the video reach. I beg, come up for Niger World body. That place where they play, they go. We don't like her.